Assalamu alaikum. In this section, we are going to talk about semantics. As you know that words have meanings. Every word that you talk about, that you think about, or you try to use that word in some sentence that has some sense and meaning, and this meaning is actually called semantics. So semantics is the study of meaning that is used to understand human expression through language. Let's begin with the study of the Unit 5. Unit 5 deals with the introduction to semantics. As we came across that the word semantics means meaning, meaning which is called sense of having things meaningful, and this document it has been written by Mr. Taj Nabi and Dr. Saira Makbool. Regarding the content, I will take a quick review. I will let you know that this content it deals with the definition, why semantics, what is meaning, and we will deal with different aspects of meaning of a word. Then we will talk about speaker's meaning and semantics meaning. And later we will talk about two branches of semantics and the three basic areas of semantics. So let's quickly start this section. This unit is designed to introduce semantics at undergraduate level. In order to focus on the subject, different aspects of meaning are discussed along with three basic areas of semantics. First, lexical semantics. Second, phrasal or sentential semantics. And third one deals with pragmatics. So here is a description of the semantics, and this part is really important, especially from the paper point of view, so that you should know that what are the basic areas which are going to be covered in this chapter that is called Introduction to Semantics. So everyone should be very much rest assured and very much satisfied. The topics mentioned here are really simple and clearly elaborated. There is no ambiguity, there is no confusion or complexity in the sentence. So, as far as objectives are concerned, apparently I will go very brief. I will let you know that the purpose to teach this unit is to make you aware of the concepts of semantics. In the second part, you are supposed to deal with the some lexical semantics and phrasal or sentential semantics. Then you people are supposed to learn about semantic role and the nature meanings at word level, such as homonyms, polysemias, homograph, heteronym, synonym, antonym, hyponym or metonym, and retronym. So there is a description that illustrate didactic expressions with respect to pronouns and place. Then we will talk about the maxims of conversation, such as maxims of quantity, maxims of relevance, maxim of meaning and manner, and maxim of quality. Later, we'll talk about some kind of dimensions of the meaning of a word, such as denotative meaning, connotative, social meaning, and thematic meaning. Another very important topic which is going to be discussed is the concept of speaker's meaning and semantics meanings. And then we will talk about the role and importance of semantics in linguistics as a scientific study of meanings. So here we now, why semantics? Semantics focuses on the study of meanings, but essentially the meanings initially exist in mind, which could either be expressed through spoken or written forms of language, as well as through gestures, actions, etc. Therefore, primarily language is used as source of communication to express meanings understandable to others. So this is a thing which is very much clear and certified, that whatever we use in the language, that's purpose is to convey or express some kind of meaning which should be understandable to others. So here is a detailed description. We will are in the need to read it thoroughly, because everything is mentioned here in a clear connection. और सिंपली अगर अब मैं कहूँ तो आप लोगों को सिंपली इसको क्लियरली रीड आउट करना है। ये सारा रेलिवेंट पोर्शन है, रीड इट थॉरली। और सिमेंटिक्स जिसमें आप मीनिंग को डील कर रहे हैं, और मीनिंग में वो डील कर रहे हैं जो कि आपके कम्युनिकेटिव एंगल को इंक्रीज करता है, ठीक है। So since meaning is one of the important parts of the language, therefore semantics is an essential branch of linguistics. So here it is an important thing कि जो semantics है basically वो linguistics की एक important branch है। क्यों important है? Because it deals with meaning, and this branch deals with the study of meanings, changes in the meanings, and the principle that govern the relationship among sentences, words, and their meanings. It is actually the study of relationship between signs and symbols and what they represent. Meaning is this, that signs are those words, symbols are those individual symbols out of those words are formed, and what they represent, there is some concept at the back. Therefore, an understanding of semantics is essential to the study of language acquisition. So here we come to know that the understanding of semantics is essential for any language acquisition study as well. Acquisition means uh, वो लैंग्वेज जो आप कोशिश से हासिल करते हैं, for which you made some effort. So it focuses on how meaning is constructed, interpreted, clarified, obscured, illustrated, simplified, negotiated, contradicted, and paraphrased. So beautiful description. The term semantics is derived from the Greek word semantikos, meaning significant. In linguistics, semantics is the subfield that is devoted to the study of meaning as born on the syntactic level of words, phrases, sentences, and sometimes larger units of discourse, generally referred to as text. In order to understand language, it is important to know the meaning of the words and the morphemes that compose them. So, therefore, it is important to have an understanding of the meaning and the words and the morphemes out of which those words are being comprised. यानी जिससे words बनते हैं वो morphemes, वो symbols, उन words की understanding का होना जरूरी होता है. Likewise, the meanings of words combine into phrases and sentence meaning. Important is this, that since we are concerned with the meaning of the word, these words they are combined into different phrases and sentence meaning. And all these words, phrases, and sentence meaning become meaningful in order to make your expression more meaningful. So the context is of utmost importance in determining meanings of the word. So important thing is that कि इसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट कि किस बैकग्राउंड में बात की जा रही है उन वर्ड्स का, वो भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. आई होप सो थिंग्स आर गेटिंग मोर क्लियर फॉर एवरीवन. वी आर गोइंग अहेड. 5.2 की बात करेंगे, व्हाट इज मीनिंग. So what is meaning basically? Apparently there are so many questions and things that are coming to your mind quickly. So I will give quick reference to C.K. Ogden and I.A. Richards. Both of them they made an attempt to define the meaning in the meaning of meaning, and this book has been written in 1923. Everyone, just focus on this reference. It is increasingly important in order to identify the meaning of the meaning. When we use the word mean, we use it in different ways. I mean to do this is a way of expressing our intention. I mean to do this. I mean, I mean to do this is a way of expressing our intention. The red signal means stop, is a way of indicating what the red signal signifies. Since all language consists of signs, we can say that every word is a sign indicating something. Usually, a sign indicates other signs. So, what is more important? When we talk about some sentence, when we talk about some sentence, our meaningful sentence, you notice that we are conveying some meaning. We are imparting some information. So this information, when we talk about different kind of signs and symbols, they signify something. So we can say that every word is signs indicating something. Usually a sign indicates other signs. Important is this, that these words are made up of some sign, यानी ये जिसको आप linguistics की language में कह सकते हैं कि sign जो होता है एक word होता है that is made up of different signs, और वो signs और symbols से मिलके एक word बनाते हैं तो एक meaningful word बनाते हैं. Ogden and Richards give the following list of some definitions of meaning. Meaning can be any of the following. So it is for everyone, for everyone. Be attentive. We'll talk about this. An intrinsic property of something. मीनिंग क्या है, मायने क्या होता है कि किसी भी जो चीज का एक बेसिक सेंस है, क्रक्स है, मीनिंग है, उसका फितरी एक रिलेशनशिप है. अदर वर्ड्स रिलेटेड टू दैट वर्ड इन अ डिक्शनरी. इंपॉर्टेंट ये होता है कि डिक्शनरी में डायरेक्ट रिलेट कर रहा हो वर्ड. द कोनोटेशन ऑफ ए वर्ड. उसके अलावा जो है उस वर्ड की डिफरेंट कोनोटेशंस भी होती हैं, इंटरप्रिटेशन हो सकती हैं. आप कह सकते हैं कि उसका एक एक्सटेंडेड मीनिंग है, यानी कि एक बेसिक मीनिंग होता है और एक एक्सटेंडेड मीनिंग होता है. तो कोनोटेशन से कहते हैं द थिंग टू विच the speaker of that word refers, the thing to which the speaker of that word should refer, and the thing to which the speaker of that word believes himself to be referring, and the thing to which the hearer of that word believes is being referred to. So beautiful. So what is important? The word refers to, and then the thing to which the speaker of that word should refer, and the thing to which the speaker of that word should believe himself to be referring, and the thing to which the hearer of that word believes is being referred to. So important is a strong relationship between a word and with the sense of referring and reference between the speaker and the hearer. So these definitions refer to many different ways in which the meaning is understood. One reason for the range of definitions of meaning is that words or signs in a language are of different types. Some signs indicate meaning in a direct manner. For example, an arrow indicates direction. So when we talk about meaning in words, that has many connotations as well. But जब हम symbols की बात करते हैं तो उसमें हमें direct manner में meaning मिलता है, और उसमें it shows some direction. Some signs are representative of the things indicated. For example, onomatopoeic words such as buzz, tinkle, ring, even, cough, slam, rustle have onomatopoeic qualities. So, not only symbols but also onomatopoeic words. These words they contain some sound. और ये sound जो जैसे कि buzz होती है और buzzing sound है, इसी तरीके से रिंगिंग है, टिंकलिंग है, तो इस सब में डायरेक्ट सेंस ऑफ मीनिंग रिलेट करती है. सम साइंस डू नॉट हैव एनी रिजेम्बलेंस टू द थिंग दे रेफर टू, बट एज दे स्टैंड फॉर दैट थिंग दे आर सिंबॉलिक. सो यू से दैट दीज वर्ड्स कंटेन दे हैव सम सिंबल्स एंड दे आर सिंबॉलिक. या सिंबॉलिक क्या होता है कि मीनिंग क्या जो है कि मीनिंग होता है, एडिशनल है, एक सेंस है जिससे कि मीनिंग ज्यादा क्लियर होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वर्ड ट्री है और उसका साइन का है TREE. तो जब इसको हम लिंग्विस्टिक्स की लैंग्वेज में, सिमेंटिक्स की लैंग्वेज में से साइन कहेंगे, ठीक है. ये साइन जो है ये सिग्निफायर है, ये सेंस कन्वे करता है, ठीक है, और एक रेफरेंस कन्वे करता है. ओके. सो बिफोर वी गो ahead, I need to tell you that semantics is basically dealing with the meaning. And after having viewing the meaning, you come to know that there are some words which convey meaning through sign, but there are some meaning which convey through some symbols and some through onomatopoeic words.